Mother's milk is truly nature's perfect food for a baby. It's packed with essential nutrients, antibodies, and enzymes that help build a strong immune system. Did you know that it adapts to meet the changing needs of your growing baby? As your baby grows, the composition of the milk changes, ensuring they get the right balance of fats, proteins, and vitamins. Plus, studies show that breastfeeding can reduce the risk of chronic conditions later in life, like obesity and diabetes. So, when you think about it, mother's milk isn't just food, it's a powerful foundation for a healthy future.